Hello everybody, welcome to Decor Tricks, where we bring you the best interior design inspiration. In today's video, we're diving into 2025's top kitchen remodel ideas that will elevate any space. Whether you're dreaming of a nature-inspired kitchen, upgrading to smart appliances, or making a bold statement with colors, these trends are all about style and function. From earthy tones and innovative technology to personalized designs, these trends will help you create a kitchen that's both beautiful and practical. Let's get started. In 2025, earthy tones and natural materials are taking center stage in kitchen design. Imagine a kitchen that feels as grounded and serene as it looks. Warm browns, deep greens, and rich, muted blues create a soothing backdrop that invites calm and relaxation. These colors connect us with nature, making our kitchens not just functional spaces, but retreats where we can unwind. Natural materials like wood, stone, and clay are being celebrated for their authenticity and warmth. Picture countertops crafted from beautiful granite or marble, adding a touch of elegance and durability. Wooden cabinetry and open shelving bring texture and warmth, making the space feel inviting and homey. These elements not only enhance the aesthetic but also stand up to daily wear and tear, ensuring your kitchen remains stylish and practical. Incorporating these design choices means embracing a look that's both timeless and comforting, perfect for creating a kitchen that you'll love to spend time in. For a dramatic and sophisticated touch, bold jewel tones and vibrant accents are emerging as key trends for kitchens in 2025. Imagine rich, deep colors like emerald green, sapphire blue, and ruby red infusing your space with a sense of luxury and energy. These hues can be used for cabinetry, tiles, or even appliances, adding a pop of color that transforms the kitchen into a statement-making area. Pairing these jewel tones with contrasting elements like metallic finishes or sleek black fixtures can enhance their vibrancy and create a striking visual impact. For instance, a sapphire blue island with gold hardware can serve as a focal point, drawing attention and admiration. Meanwhile, incorporating vibrant accents through decorative pieces, such as colorful vases or bold artwork, adds a dynamic flair without overwhelming the space. In contrast to bold hues, 2025 kitchens are embracing the calm and subtle charm of soft pastels and muted shades. These colors, such as gentle blush pinks, serene blues, and soft lavenders, create a soothing and inviting atmosphere. Soft pastels are perfect for those who prefer a more understated elegance, offering a fresh and modern look without overwhelming the senses. These muted tones work exceptionally well in creating a cohesive and tranquil kitchen environment. For example, pastel cabinetry or walls can be complemented with neutral countertops and delicate accents. Soft green cabinets paired with light wooden countertops create a harmonious and airy feel. Additionally, pastel tiles or backsplashes can add a touch of color while maintaining a soft and serene vibe. Incorporating soft pastels into your kitchen design helps to cultivate a relaxed and welcoming space, ideal for both cooking and entertaining. This trend is all about balance and subtlety, providing a refreshing and sophisticated alternative to more intense color schemes. Smart kitchens are at the forefront of 2025 trends, seamlessly integrating technology to enhance functionality and convenience. Imagine refrigerators with touch screens that help you manage your grocery list or ovens that can be controlled remotely through an app. Voice-activated assistants and smart lighting systems are also becoming standard, allowing you to adjust settings and control appliances with simple commands. Built-in sensors can monitor food freshness and alert you when it's time to restock. These innovations not only streamline daily tasks but also contribute to a more efficient and connected kitchen experience. In 2025, kitchen islands are evolving beyond their traditional role as just a prep space or breakfast bar. They are now central hubs for multifunctionality. These modern islands often include features such as built-in cooktops, sinks, and even wine coolers, transforming them into versatile workstations. They might also have integrated storage solutions, like drawers and cabinets, to keep your kitchen organized. Some designs incorporate movable parts or modular components, allowing you to adapt the island's function based on your needs, whether you're hosting a dinner party or just enjoying a casual meal with family. This adaptability makes the kitchen island a key player in creating a dynamic and efficient kitchen environment. Lighting is transforming in 2025 with an emphasis on customization and versatility. Today's kitchens are not just about functional lighting but creating an ambience tailored to your needs. Think of adjustable lighting systems that let you shift from bright task lighting for cooking to soft, warm tones for dining or relaxation. Advanced smart lighting solutions allow you to control the color and intensity with your smartphone or voice commands, setting the perfect mood for any occasion. Integrated LED strips are popular for highlighting architectural features, while under-cabinet lighting ensures your countertops are always well lit. This customization enhances both the functionality and aesthetic appeal of your kitchen, making it a space that adapts seamlessly to your lifestyle. In 2025, kitchens are embracing a bold blend of materials, creating dynamic and personalized spaces. Combining different textures and finishes adds depth and character to the kitchen. For instance, pairing sleek, modern metal surfaces with warm, rustic wood creates a striking contrast that feels both sophisticated and inviting. Incorporating materials like concrete countertops with natural stone backsplashes or mixing glossy tiles with matte finishes adds visual interest and complexity. This trend extends to cabinetry, where contrasting wood grains or color combinations provide a unique touch. The use of mixed materials allows homeowners to express their style and create a kitchen that is both functional and visually engaging. The minimalist approach to smart storage is revolutionizing kitchen design in 2025. This trend focuses on maximizing space efficiency while maintaining a sleek, uncluttered look. Hidden compartments, pull-out shelves, and built-in organizers are becoming essential features. For example, drawer dividers and retractable racks ensure everything has its place, reducing visual clutter. Smart storage solutions also include integrated appliances that blend seamlessly with cabinetry, creating a streamlined appearance. This minimalist design not only enhances the functionality of the kitchen but also contributes to a modern and elegant aesthetic. By prioritizing smart, space-saving elements, homeowners can achieve both practicality and style in their kitchens. As we look toward 2025, kitchen design trends reflect a blend of practicality and style. Embracing earthy tones and natural materials brings warmth and sustainability, while bold color contrasts add a touch of personal flair. The incorporation of smart technology, customized lighting, and mixed materials offers innovative ways to enhance both functionality and aesthetics. Minimalist smart storage ensures that every inch of space is utilized efficiently, contributing to a clean, modern look. These trends not only improve the efficiency and usability of your kitchen but also create a space that is visually appealing and uniquely yours. As you plan your kitchen remodel, consider these trends to create a space that is both stylish and functional, setting the stage for many enjoyable cooking experiences to come. Love these kitchen design trends and want more inspiration? Hit that subscribe button and join us at Decor Tricks for the latest in home decor and remodeling ideas. Stay updated with fresh trends, expert tips, and innovative ideas to transform your space. Subscribe now and be the first to discover how to make your home truly extraordinary.